Evening YouTube, UKLockPicka back with another video. In this one, it's specifically for Leon's Lockpads challenge. I know how much he likes American locks, and I believe this one's going to him in his parcel tomorrow. But this is the A1100 series. This was pinned up for me by a fella, or sent to us, by a lad called Keith or Spell, which I've never heard from again after I sent him his parcel back, so I do wish he is okay. But he did pin it with 6 pins using this master key. It does work. It's key retaining so the key doesn't come back out. Lock it, the key will spin back and the key will come out. So down to the nitty gritty. Vice versa challenge. I'm going to pick with my left hand. I normally pick with my right. I am right-handed. So tension with my right, pick with my left. And I have picked this lock before, not with my left hand, but I have picked it. So let's see how this goes then. So top of the keyway tension is normal. This type of lock, American series that is. Right, and this is just a short hook or medium hook near there, just a quick one that I made up. So I'm looking for the binder pin as normal, and it is number 5. And the back in. 6 drops us into a false set. Third deeper false set, just touching on 5 there. So let's search for a couple of spool pins. And 4. Getting counter. It's either set or overset. I'm going with set. It's hard to tell. Let's see if I no, back into a false set. It's went into a deeper false set as soon as I touch 6. Teasing us. 3, and it's open. 3 was a spool, which I overset. I let off the tension end. Bosh. Right, that wasn't too bad. 3 minutes in with a little bit of an introduction. So we'll put the picks to one side, the tension bar to one side. Get rid of that. Right, lock with my right hand and gut with my left, so open the shackle. In fact, this can be locked up now actually. Put the key and prove it's working while we're there. Oh shit, it was key retaining, wasn't it? Oh. It does work. So, left hand. That's it. Unscrew. bugger. Puppy. Right. I'll go back up. Set that off. Try and keep everything neat. Right, and so clip off. It's just too thick, I think. You see us? This isn't proper shim material. This is, I bought it thinking it was pick thickness of 0.50 and it came, it was 0.050, so this is like minuscule. It's just not gonna have it as a should bridge the gap anyway. Right. Oh, I feel like I'm dog-handed here. Smash around that. So, with my right hand, I'll show you the pins. Tweezers, 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 where art thou? Right, so we have one serrated pin in driver 6, and I know that all of these are spool pins from the last time I picked it. Tiny little things. Right, so it says we need to gut it. Does that mean we have to take the springs out? I'm guessing so. So let's move these down so you can get a look at what's in there. So key pin, driver pin 6 is a serrated pin, then a small spool, 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 and a standard. Springs are all normal springs, now it's special. Right, key pins in chamber 6, standard. If I remember rightly, they're all standard, or one of them, but I can't remember which one. I'm sure there's one funky key pin. She's there. Right. So we've got a torpedo key pin in one, the rest are standard. Standard in chamber driver 1, the rest are spool pins, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then number 6 is a very fine stock serrated pin. Right, so pick this up, we'll have a follow it in. I'll put the springs in first, it would help. So what I like to do is start in the middle. So we'll look for number 3, which we have, 2, 1, spin around, there's one, middle, 2, or number 5, whichever way you want to look at it, and getting that one in there. That would be too easy, wouldn't it? To the puppy. Right. So follower straight through. We'll put number 6 in first because it's right at the back, which was the serrated pin. Didn't want to stay. Wow, still didn't want to stay. You got in this time yet? Yeah. Right, get that one position where it needs to be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number 5 was a spool, which is that one. Quickly plug my phone in before it comes off. That's it. So now we're going to be working on number 4, which was the other spool pin. This one's pissed, it can't stand up. Another spool. One more spool and a standard. So Then with something like, and get that one in. There you go. Playing nice now. Number 1. Spoke too soon. That's it. Right. She's done. Right. Number 1, which was the funky pin. Straight in. 2. Being a bitch. 3. 4. When you think about it, doing it this way around, it's like the first time you ever picked a lock and the first time you ever gutted a lock, because it just felt so bloody weird picking that left-handed, never mind gutting it. Right, that was the key. That's it, you can see that, can you? Oh. So high, low, high, low, high, low. What I always do is check to see if it works. So number 1, key pin number 1 was a 0 lift. It's already set. And put it back in. Right. So this will have to be shimmed because I haven't got the right follower. See? Khaki-handed this is. That should slip back in. A bit of a little pull out. So clip back on. So yeah, these are the little key rings that I made earlier. These are going to be going on the UKLP forum group, for sale tomorrow. So stay tuned for them. And I've also got some other bits and bobs that I'll be selling over the next month. And near the end of the month, I'll have a full 5-pick set of custom picks with absolutely lovely handles. It'll be a short hook, long hook, medium hook, a snake rake and a bogata in a lovely case. So stay tuned for them. So they'll be on all of my social media, and they'll be on the UKLP group on Facebook, which is the link just about here. If you haven't already been there, it's a brilliant group. So please do stop by and get joined up. But this lock is tight, I think. Tight. We can. Yeah, always mess this bit up with American locks. So that's the American A1100 series Leon. The next time you see this lock, mate, it'll be coming out of a nice package that I'm about to send you, along with a nice key. It should function when it gets to you, but at the minute, is it gonna? There you are. So yeah, mate, it's either this one or the orange one. I can't remember. I think I've got the orange one here. That one or that one. Totally up to you, mate. So I'm gonna ping you the video now. I know I've just been speaking to you on Facebook, so take your pick. If I was you, I'd have that one. Just my choice. 6 pins. Yeah, both of them work. You see us? Actually, just have that one because that one's goose for some reason. I can't think why. Oh yeah. You having that one then, mate? Until that one's picked open. So if everyone, sorry it was a long video, but I was picking with my left hand, and there was plenty of security pins in that bad boy. So please follow us on my social media, get in contact with us, leave your feedback, comments. It's all social here. So thanks for watching, everyone. Onwards and upwards to the next one. Bye for now.